Hello and welcome back to Tech Idea. In my today's video, I'll be showing you how you can recover your deleted messages in Messenger from Facebook. Before I continue with my today's video, give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notification whenever we upload something new. Now without further ado, let's start with our today's video. Unfortunately, you cannot see deleted messages or conversations. Deleting a message permanently removes it from your chat list. Keep in mind that deleting a message or conversation from your chat list won't delete it from the chat list of the person you chatted with. You may come around a lot of videos or websites stating how you can recover deleted messages. They may in fact show you, but unfortunately those are hoax. I hope my video was helpful. Comment and let us know your thoughts and queries. Suggest us if you have any requests for our new videos. Give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notification whenever we upload something new.